Hello, friend. Mormo here. I'm at Walgreens. I'm about to go get some medication from Walgreens. I'll probably see if they have any discount Halloween stuff. So keep watching. Okay, friends, so I got my medication. I gave an art card to the pharmacist, and now I'm gonna go to Swin, and I'm gonna go to Country Mart to get something to eat. I'm really hungry. I was gonna eat at Subway, but I forgot to bring my coupons. So keep watching. Hello, friend. I always forget what this mall is called. I always forget, but there's Swin. There's Swin's old office, and then Swin moved down to there, and it's 25% off today, and I'm having a better financial month this month. My family sent me some money for Halloween, and I had a Halloween/Devil's Night sale on eBay and made about 50 bucks there, and I'm getting paid by YouTube this month, so I can actually afford to hook up. So keep watching. Hello. So they had a quarter. I got a quarter of Laffy Taffy, which is a new sativa strain, so I'm pretty stoked to try that. And it's really a pretty overcast and bad day. It was raining, like it was storming earlier. Now it's just kind of sprinkling. But here's the gym, and I was gonna join the gym a long time ago when I had more money and stuff, but for whatever reason I didn't. But it's an unmanned gym. Nobody works there. You just go in and work out. And like I say, nobody works there. It seems different. You just punch in a code at the door when you go in. And I'll go to Country Mart now and get something to eat for lunch. I'm very hungry, and so hopefully they have something good in the deli to eat, like the chicken salad that I love so much. So keep watching. Okay, friends, so I'm out of Country Mart, and they had grapes for sale, so I got some grapes. And then when I went to ring them up, it was like $9.60 something for some grapes. So that was way more than I was expecting to pay. So that just seems like a lot for some grapes, but it is a really big bag of grapes, I guess. So whatever, I guess. But they did have the chicken salad sandwich on a croissant. So I'm really stoked to eat this, and I'm very hungry. It's the cranberry pecan chicken salad. And it's very good. I'll have to call this Mormo's Big Rainy Day. People love the big day videos for some reason. I got a new energy drink too. For some reason, Country Mart doesn't have Ghosts anymore. I was gonna get a Ghost, but now Country Mart has these Rise Fuels, and these are really good too. I used to get these at Spirit Shop, but this is Sour Punch with 0 sugar. Sour green apple, but it's Sour Punch like those candies. I don't know if you can see. It's like see the little face? It's like those Sour Punch candies I used to eat. So I'm interested to try this. It's a new flavor. Smells good, just like an apple. Wow, delicious. Oh man, it tastes so good. So nice to have a delicious meal. I like shopping at Country Mart because of the deli. They have such good food in the deli. And they even had a 7-layer bean dip. They had a small 7-layer bean dip that looked so good. Wow. I also got something new to try. Tate's Bake Shop. Pumpkin spice cookies. Uniquely crispy, deeply delicious. Oh, I was hoping they'd be soft. I like soft cookies better than crispy. But it says limited edition. And they're from Southampton, New York. Oh man. They're in these little bags. I was really hoping they'd be soft. Now I'm bummed. I prefer a soft cookie. I'll try it anyway. Very good. good cookie. Okay, friend. I'm gonna finish my sandwich. Keep watching. I'll check in when I get home. So keep watching, keep watching. Okay, friend, I'm back home and here's He-Man. Say hi, He-Man. He-Man, look, you're on TV. Look, He-Man. Anyways, I had a great day today. It was so awesome, and I'm so thankful that I made it in one piece and got home safe and sound. I'm so thankful and grateful for that. And the people at Swin are just so awesome, just such friendly, awesome people, and you get such good deals. I think it was like 20% off or 25% off today or something like that. They have sales all the time. I actually signed up to be notified of their sales and stuff, and just a great business, great people. I always love shopping there. And Country Mart was cool. I didn't talk to anybody. I saw somebody at the deli counter, but they were talking to some other customers. But I got that delicious chicken salad sandwich that was so good and just really hit the spot. And where else did I go today? Oh, Walgreens was really cool. And I kind of goofed up at Swin. I gave them 2 art cards, but I forgot to put money in the tip jar, so I feel real bad about that. Normally, I give art cards and a few bucks because I don't want like my art cards to just be the tip. I normally leave a few bucks, and I forgot today. I goofed up and forgot today, so I'll have to get them next time. But yeah, it was a great day, and I got my first piece of Christmas artwork up in my eBay store now. I'm gonna try and get started on Christmas early so I can get lots of Christmas pieces in my shop. And the piece I got right now is a mixed media. It's part of the Magic Trick series, and it's a mixed media card. I think it's like 16 bucks, but it's the first Christmas one of this season, and it's in my eBay store. I'll put a link to my eBay store in the description, and a link to my video store. I haven't sold a video in a long time, and I just put some stuff on sale in my video store on Gumroad. I don't know if people are afraid to use Gumroad or something. I don't know. I don't know if people are afraid to use Gumroad. But I haven't got a Gumroad sale in a while. Look, He-Man. He-Man, look. Oh man, anyways, thanks so much for watching, and check out my eBay store, link in description. Thanks so much.